Darius Jackson entered the BMV, followed by the victim, who wanted to buy the vehicle. After failing to obtain proper title for the vehicle, the son called off the transaction. Outside of the BMV, the victims say Jackson displayed a rifle and Madison a handgun. The father also displayed a handgun before he and his son drove away in a GMC truck. Jackson and Madison, in 2 different trucks, pursued the victims. The 3 vehicles continued westbound on 38th Street. After turning south on Shadeland Avenue, shots were fired at 30th Street. Shots were fired after the victims were stopped by traffic at Shadeland Avenue and 30th Street. The officer stops following the vehicles when they enter a residential area. A home security camera shows Jackson and Madison driving by.
Units East District 51, Business Panic Alarm, 7857 East 42nd Street, 4250 North, 7900 East. Stand by for further. Baker 120, Baker 142, Baker 120, Baker 142, business panic, 7857 East 42nd Street, the BMV, silent panic times 2, 4250 North, 7900 East.
120. Baker 142.
Baker 120, Baker 142, 1258.
All right, 2311 advising shots just fired 3-0 mid.
1210 on that last.
2311 advising there were shots fired 3-0 in mid.
Joe 495, I'm still eastbound, crossing Franklin.
Clear, eastbound crossing Frank. What was the vehicle description again?
Two trucks chasing each other, a blue one and a green one. What street is he on?
30th.
Eastbound 30th, crossing we're through Franklin. I was trying to follow him here.
We're not clear. Were they shooting at each other? Is that what this is, based on the other traffic?
The person in the green and silver truck was shooting at somebody else. I don't know who. And I fired shots at the male in the green and silver truck.
On southbound Rich Hart, crossing 34th.
Okay, they're, oh geez, let's see here. Southbound Routiers.
Clear, southbound Routiers from 30th.
Control 155, put me on that, please.
Clear.
Control 126 as well.
Arrow flags in row.
That came in 25.
I've seen southbound Routiers. I'm stopping at 30th and Routiers. I'm not following them. They went southbound Routiers and then, I can't tell. Looks like, east on a street and a couple streets, south.
Sojka, what's the description one more time of the vehicle?
There's a blue pickup truck, a little bit older, maybe a Dodge Ram, and then a Chevrolet, green and silver, black male armed with a rifle.
Control, that street dumps out by the Lowe's, 25th and Post.
And on that.
Street dumps out right by the Lowe's and 25th and Post, where he might be going.
At 1:01 p.m., a call came in of a gunshot victim on the 6600 block of East 34th Street. Officers located the GMC on fire and a 44-year-old victim with multiple gunshot wounds. The man was taken to Eskenazi in critical condition. At 1:13 p.m., IMPD officers were dispatched to Community East Hospital for a walk-in person shot. Video shows Jackson and a wounded Madison arriving.